Hi, I'm Nancy Rompanen. I've gone through the hormone balancing at the Diet Weight Loss Centers in Palm Beach Gardens, and I want to tell you about my story. Well, I felt tired and I didn't have as much energy as I thought I should have, and so when I came here and we were looking into a diet program and you had offered some hormone balancing that would start with a blood test, I thought it would be a good idea to at least see where I stood in relationship to an average. You know, I love it. I think it's been a great thing for me. I think it's increased my energy level. It certainly has increased my libido, which is a wonderful thing. I can certainly say that you know, even my night sweats and my hot flashes, that certainly have almost been eliminated. I have a lot fewer. My significant other would thank you. He was suggesting I buy a fan, so now he doesn't have to buy the fan. But that's really worked, and that's been a wonderful thing. When I thought about the procedure, I was a little bit nervous because it sounded like it might be painful, but it really was quite simple. I just went into the room, and they've got a great staff here, and they were so supportive, and they did what they had to, and it didn't hurt at all. And I recently had a hip replacement, so I mentioned my concern that it not be in a certain side, and they really followed through and did a great job, and it wasn't painful at all. After the procedure, it was effective pretty early on. I think everyone had suggested that it may have taken a few weeks and that I may not have enjoyed the benefits right away, but luckily for me, I really found a lot of benefits early on, so maybe that's why I like them so much. But they certainly have been very effective, and I certainly plan on keeping up with them because I'm enjoying how I feel, and it's pretty exciting to have this procedure and feel as though it's natural as much as hormone replacement can be. So I'm pretty happy about that, and I really like the staff here. They're really wonderful. One of the largest benefits that I've noticed is that people have been commenting about my skin and how vibrant my skin looks, and I've noticed a big difference in terms of the shine and the healthiness, and so I think that's helped as well. So that's been a really great benefit, I think, from the procedure. One benefit that definitely I have noticed was the vaginal dryness. So along with the help in weight loss and more energy and increase in the libido and my skin and the color of it, and it's just been a wonderful difference in my life, and I would certainly recommend it to others, and I will certainly keep doing it.